In this episode, we will be discussing Arizona Tenant to maintain fit premises. The Arizona Residential Landlord and Tenant Act requires tenants to assume the following responsibilities with regard to maintaining a rental property. Tenant responsibilities. The tenant shall comply with all obligations primarily imposed upon tenants by applicable provisions of building codes materially affecting health and safety. Keep that part of the premises that he occupies and uses as clean and safe as the condition of the premises permit. Dispose from his dwelling unit all ashes, rubbish, garbage, and other waste in a clean and safe manner. Keep all plumbing fixtures in the dwelling unit or used by the tenant as clean as their condition permits. Use in a reasonable manner all electrical, plumbing, sanitary, heating, ventilating, air conditioning, and other facilities and appliances, including elevators in the premises. Not deliberately or negligently destroy, deface, damage, impair, or remove any part of the premises or knowingly permit any person to do so. Conduct himself and require other persons on the premises with his consent to conduct themselves in a manner that will not disturb his neighbor's peaceful enjoyment of the premises. And finally, promptly notify the landlord in writing of any situation or occurrence that requires the landlord to provide maintenance or make repairs or otherwise requires the landlord to take action as prescribed in the laws of our other video titled Arizona Landlord to Maintain Fit Premises. For additional laws and articles, visit AmericanLandlord.com.